I just got back from a great weekend in Colorado at a conference. And Colorado is one of the first states in 2000 to adopt the use of medical marijuana. And that's in some ways really good that the state is willing to consider new things. And the people of the state of Colorado are willing to do that. And in some ways it's bad, because regardless of medical marijuana being legal in Colorado for Coloradans, it's still a Schedule I drug federally, and it's illegal. It's an illegal drug nationally. Now, locally in Colorado, there's dispensaries and doctors are prescribing it. Let me tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly on marijuana. The good thing is that medical marijuana, properly given, is really helpful for chronic pain patients. They tend to do better. Some of my colleagues have told me that about half of the patients with chronic pain will be using marijuana whether you're giving it to them medically or not. So that's in play, and it seems to have a beneficial effect. They call it agonist. It helps the drug therapy that they're doing be more effective, so they can use less opioids, which are narcotics, which cause all sorts of addiction problems. But the marijuana, here's the bad, it's also somewhat addictive. Not as bad as opioids, but it's somewhat addictive. So we need to consider that in terms of the big picture. Now the ugly. If you smoke it, you have about a 4 times risk of lung cancer. Not so good. Most people who smoke recreational marijuana also smoke cigarettes, at least at some time. And that's a double whammy. That makes it even worse. Marijuana, they've said, oh, well, you can drive and it doesn't create any problems. That's not true. You have somewhere between 2 and 10 times as many car wrecks if you're smoking weed. So marijuana, boy, it's got some allure. It's got some, there's some good thoughts behind it. I'm in the state of Texas. I won't prescribe it. It's illegal in Texas. It's illegal federally. So it's off the table for me. But for anyone else who's looking at medical marijuana, it's a drug. It's a drug like any other drug. It has potent side effects. It has significant toxicity and risk, especially if you smoke it. And if you absolutely need it and you're in a state where it's legal and you can get it legally, get with your doctor, because we're better together.